Hello everyone, welcome to the Guide Up YouTube channel. Today for this video of Guide Up, I will be showing you how to delete playlists on Spotify. Now to do that, open the Spotify application first. Tap upon the app and then you need to get logged in into the account. Once you have been logged in into the account, you need to tap on the Your Library from the bottom option. Tap that and here you will find all the list and the song that you have on their Spotify. So here on this page, tap upon the playlist that you want to delete. Tap upon that. So this is the playlist that I want to delete from my Spotify. So to delete it, what you have to do is tap on the dotted lines over here. It will show you all these options over here. And from here, you need to tap on the cross delete playlist. You tap that. Are you sure you want to delete the Guide Hub songs? You tap on delete and it will delete the playlist on your Spotify right away. You can see the Guide Hub songs are no longer visible in the page. So this is how you can delete a Spotify playlist. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Guide Hub YouTube channel. Thank you.